Hi, my name is Julia Zaretti, and I'm a registered psychotherapist here in Mississauga, Ontario. I was doing online therapy before online therapy was cool, or before it became necessary given the whole circumstances in the world. Sometime in the early 2018, my life has taken me away for a little bit from Ontario, but I still wanted to make myself available to my clients in Ontario. So I had to move everybody online. All of my clients had to move online, no questions asked. I just wasn't available in person. So it was a hard thing to do. However, I learned a lot. I lost about 50% of my clients. However, I have also understood what makes people really reluctant to switch to online therapy or even start therapy online in the first place. So I have collected a lot of feedback and I want to read it out to you from here so I don't miss anything. Okay, so number one thing that I heard is that somebody might be listening on the other side of the door on purpose. And this is a huge thing with teenagers. It is hard to keep everybody quiet in the house for a whole hour. Totally get that. I hear that a lot. People were also saying that a big piece of a therapeutic relationship might be lost in online, which is something that you and I definitely work on together. It's just weird talking to a computer about emotions. Totally hear you. Bad connection make things annoying. So what I've done, I've collected all of these feedbacks and I have done everything that is in my power as a therapist to make things easier for you. So number one thing is that I've created a guide, a step-by-step guide for you to follow to prepare yourself to ensure the most successful therapeutic session. So you can find this guide by going on my website and clicking online therapy. There's a guide there. If you don't find it, just message me somewhere there. I'll send you a direct link. Another thing that I have done to make something easier for you and for myself at the same time is that I've streamlined the booking system. The booking system is so easy to use that you won't even know what happened to you by the time you're done to it. So you basically just go on my website, click book now, pick a date and time, and you get a confirmation email in your inbox with a link already created for the session. So at the time of the session, all you have to do is click on it and leave the rest to me. Another thing that I have done is I've put together free 20-minute consultations so that you can test drive online therapy for yourself. It is absolutely free for anybody who is looking at starting therapy for the first time and they want to know what it's like to connect with someone online. So you can do that. Also, I started offering 30-minute sessions for about half of my regular price. And you would be surprised of just how much we can accomplish in 30 minutes if we put our minds to it and we really, really focus. One another thing is that I wanted to let you know is that I really shortened my booking window so that you can book same time sessions, same day sessions. So you can, if you want a lunchtime session and it's 9 a.m., you can book it as early as that. I have completely got rid of the cancellation policy. It was very short to begin with. It was only 12-hour cancellation policy, but I removed it completely because life happens, and especially now in these unpredictable times. So all you have to do is just cancel your session using your confirmation email, even 1 minute before the session. But please do cancel it so I don't sit there waiting for you, because you might get a phone call from me. One more thing I wanted to mention is that I don't do this whole blocking time off my calendar to make myself look busier. None of that. So what you see in my scheduler is what you get. Okay, and so guys, with all of these things, I hope that this is something that can make you actually like online therapy and be eager to and prefer online therapy in the end, because I actually very much love providing therapy online. Okay, so I'm hopefully going to see you in my inbox or in your inbox. Okay, bye for now, and I hope that was very helpful for you guys.